Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be using Blender to create some schmick stuff. So I've been doing a lot of 3D scanning at the moment. This is one of the set pieces that I've scanned. This is the engine to my car. So we're going to be kind of grabbing these assets and we're going to build something with it. Straight off the bat, I'm going to go Control C, copy that puppy. Let's go Control V into a brand new blend file. Did you come across? You did not. Go suck a lemon. There it is. Mr. Emerger, welcome, buddy. So from here, rotate. We are just going to build some sort of scene, almost maybe like a sci-fi hallway. Let's go ahead and first we'll plop something together. One inspiring artist. Oh my goodness, welcome. It's always a pleasure to see you here as well. So let's go scale on the Y and let's just kind of start something off and we can work off it. So from here, I'm just kind of lining up this 3D scan. Let's just clean that up there. I don't even know what that is. Delete vertices. And then what I'm going to do now is add in an area light, rotate along the Y 180. And we're just going to go like that. Scale on the Y. Let's go ahead and go into cycles, GPU 32. All right, so we've got this at the moment. The engine is upside down. Let's go rotate Y 180. Rotate X 180, G to the Z. And let's select our light, come into here. We'll make it red, 200. Go away, you buddy. All right. So you can already see that we're kind of having this like sci-fi style. Have you tried to retropo scan or something like quad mesh? No, I haven't. I probably should give it a crack, but I just haven't yet. Let's jump into some more files. This is an engine that I scanned in this morning. Len, welcome. Jovan, welcome. Hey, hey. All right, let's go. Let's get that away. Actually, we'll keep you open for a little bit. Control V, scale. So I already started playing around with this. Let's clean up this mesh a smidgen. So I want to keep this radiator piece here. So let's go with the knife tool. A, C, cut straight through, enter. V to rip, Control L, suck a lemon. Let's go wireframe, box select all that, delete faces. Nice. Let's now go ahead a little bit more. And from here we'll go delete vertices. Lovely. So now we've got that predominant piece right there. And I think we might still need to clean this up a little bit. Let's go G to the X, push it back a little bit. And I just found that this radiator piece was really nice. So from here, I'm just going to go Shift D, move that off into the sky. And let's clear this out. So we're just going to clean up this mesh. Let's go into wireframe mode. I'm just going to go, whoops, C. And we're going to grab this edge. We're going to grab this edge. There we go, delete vertices. And that should leave us with this. Let's clean up this section here. C. Oops, let's go into wireframe. C, we'll grab that. Come to the other side, that. Did I grab? Yes, I did. Don't want to delete them. Nice, and there's a little bit here that's annoying. That's the stand of the engine. Let's come back into rendered view. Nice, let's go G to the X, bring it back. Come on, buddy. Where are you? There you are. And I'm just going to put it like here-ish. And how's that looking? That's looking not too shabby. We'll move it over maybe a smidgen. Oof. 4K Productions, welcome, buddy. Yes, it is coming along quite nicely. I've actually got, I'll show you some of the scans that are coming out onto the Patreon probably the next couple of days. Just got to clean them up. I think this one here might be my favorite. Yeah, look at that. Oh, so I went to a train museum today with the kids, and so we kind of went a little bit crazy with the photo scanning. Love this central piece, so we actually might grab that one in a sec. But I'm just kind of going to just start grabbing elements. So I'm just going to close that blend file. Nope, go away, thank you. And let's grab this one. Go away, thank you. And then from here, let's go ahead and jump into the Honda Civic. Gonna love the car. And we'll grab this asset. Come into here, buddy. Control V. Let's go with that selected. Let's go Alt R, rotate Z, minus. And let's kind of line it up maybe on this side. What we might do is give it a nice straight cut through, kind of like here. Something like that. Let's go knife tool with K, A, so it goes along a straight line, and C to make sure it cuts through the whole mesh. We'll press enter, V to rip, Control L, I hate you. Let's do this now manually, so into wireframe mode. Let's go box select, there we go, delete faces, nice clean sharp edge there, rotate 180, and then with that we'll kind of line it up in there. GX, and we'll plop that in there. Let's have a look how this looks now. Nice, we could probably just rotate that around a smidgen so it's in there. Let's get this light, move it over into here. Maybe we can scale that along the Y as well. Oh yeah, that's looking good. It's looking good. Good. Let's jump over into cement pieces, and maybe we might put in, we'll try it with two things. We'll try it with a cement block, so this one here. Control V, and be gone new. I think all our scales are a little bit off at the moment. Now, unfortunately, I can't just kind of like rotate this around. So if I go rotate X 180, doesn't work. So we're going to have to think of something else for this section up the top. What we might do is let's go into the world section. I'm going to make this black. From here, let's go ahead, create a plane. I don't like this piece at all, so let's go ahead and we'll add in a cube. And G to the Z, scale along the X. Maybe something like that. Scale along the Y axis. You've got a Honda Civic as well. That's pretty cool. We have bought a Toyota Corolla hybrid. However, the car's still not built. So we've got another month, I think, to wait for it to get built, hopefully. And then hopefully we'll have a Honda Civic out of that. So with this here, let's put a few edge loops. I'm going to grab these here. Let's press I to do an inset. Let's press I again to do individual faces. I. Yahar. Like so. E to extrude. I. And let's do another extrude from here. Let's create two materials. The second material is going to be our light. We'll click assign. Let's go into animation. And then two. Let's come into rendered view. I don't like the bright white lights. What if we go slight blue? Beautiful. Let's jump over into my asset library. I'm just going to grab a material. There we go. Good job, Marco. You've selected it. Well done. Asset library. Asset browser. Here we go. Into Marco 3D. And let's come over into my materials. So this is all available on the Patreon. And I'm going to dump that one in there. It's a little bit dark for my liking, which is a little bit unfortunate. Let's go like so. Shift N, Control A, apply scale. Maybe we'll select everything. U, Smart UV Project, Oakley Dokley. It's not too bad. I do like this concrete banner. I think that looks nice. Maybe what we can do is I do have a fire panel. So let's grab our fire panel. Have you ever used a texture with emission? I have. Can get a little bit finicky. Can get a little bit rough. But I have done it. All right, let's have a look. How's this looking? Okay, that's not too bad. I think... Am I using... Yep, GPU. Beautiful. Let's go with a denoiser. Let's bring this light over. Scale on the Y a little bit more. Oh, yeah. That's... I'm fairly chuffed with that. Let's go rotate on the X-axis. This wall. From here, I'm going to scale along the X. Let's go GX, bring it back. Let's go Shift D to the Y, rotate Z 180. GY. Mouse Maid, welcome. Because you can't just reuse AO. Ah, sorry. No, not really. I'm more... how's that look? How do I feel about that? So sorry, back to the first question. We're kind of just playing around with some of the 3D scans that I've been creating. And let's kind of see what we can push. Yeah, the emission textures, I don't know. Yeah. Hit and miss. Especially I've tried to bring it into... in here, it's a bit of a hit and miss. Unreal Engine, it's semi-okay. But once again, I haven't really played with it too much in depth. Yeah, sweet. Okay, let's just making sure my camera was working. From here, this is looking quite nice. I really do like how that's turned out. That's not bad. It's not bad. Camera angle, yeah, I think we're going to keep kitbashing a little bit more. Let's jump over into here. Let's turn off face orientation. So these pieces here are from the roof of a car park. I was walking along and I went, oh my goodness, that looks gorgeous. And so I did a 3D scan of a car park roof. Got a few funny looks, but too bad, so sad. And let's kind of align up the edge of that concrete there. Nice. That doesn't look too bad. Let's get rid of the line at the bottom. Origin? Nope. Nope, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. Floor. There it is. That's not bad. I feel like I could put in some crud there. Do I have... Oh, I've got crud from a short film, but I don't know where it is. This is why it's important to have a nice library structure, Marco. Alto, welcome. P Ghost, welcome. I am doing good. A little bit tired. It's 11 PM at the moment. But that's just what happens. Oh my goodness, let's save. Let's come over in. Let me just save this somewhere. DF there. And we'll go new folder 002 _ 3D scan kitbashing. Let's add an extra 0 in there. And we'll double click on that one. Control V. Save file. There we go. I am very happy with how this has turned out. I almost feel like we could probably dump in a character in here. So let's just open up Character Creator 4. We'll let that load up in a sec. This looks nice. Let's just jump over into some of the other 3D scans that we have. We've got a cockpit one. These are the ones that I did today. Okay, what's that one? That's the engine. Second to last. I think it's this one here. So let's go ahead and we'll delete that. Come into here. Let's grab this and we're just going to see what it is. And we'll go paste. Let's go Control C. File. Import. OBJ. Hope for the best. Control V. Yes, please. Please be the one that I hope it is. That is some sort of ticket machine. That is the wrong one. So let's go ahead and try another one. Gotta be this one. Maybe. I don't know. Paste. Whatever this one is, we'll just use it. And Character Creator has opened. Let's go File, Import, OBJ. Yes, please. Where are you? Here you are. Okay, let's go like so. Oh, this is the cockpit of a diesel engine. So we kind of just have a quick look. Come on. So this is another 3D scan. This one took a little bit longer, but there's a few nice pieces in here that I could probably take. But not for this. Let's try one more. Let's try this one. Copy. Right click, paste. We've got this. We've got this. File, import, OBJ. I don't think it's this one. Where'd you get... I don't have Character Creator 4. I've only got 3. I am Cool. That's because I'm smart. Let's just kind of code this as well. Right click, copy, paste. Let's go external data, find missing files. Let's go back into here, find missing files. I've stuffed up, haven't I? Because that's the wrong one. It should be this one. That was the one that I did this morning. Sorry, I'm just trying to find my lost textures. Because, you know, smartness. File. Clean up, no, external data, find missing files, find missing files. No. Oh, you donkey. Okay, hang on. That's because I got to cut. No. I've done something now. I've stuffed up. Okay, let's see. That's fine. What's your problem? Let's go File, Open Recent. There it is. Okay, cool. We're back. Let's grab this piece here. I think this was the piece that I was hoping for. Sure was. Let's go GZ. We're going to try and clean this up super quick. I might just go... That's weird that it's gone low quality. That's fine. I'm just going to go delete vertices. And then let's go G, move that off to the side. Let's come in like so. And we're going to chop off this top section. So all that, let's do that now. Into wireframe, box select, that, and that. Delete vertices. Let's maybe go merge by distance. And that's got rid of a couple of thousand vertices there as well. And we'll just go like this. Delete vertices, please. I don't know what you're doing out there, buddy. So now we are left with this piece. Let's go right click, set origin to geometry. Beautiful, just make our life easier. Alessandra, welcome. Come in. Michael's already cussing. It's Blender. If you're not cussing, you're not doing it right. Oh yeah, that probably would have been smarter, eh? That's because I'm smart. Yes. Alright, so let's come in. I am a really big fan of this piece. I reckon we might... Maybe what we might do is rotate that like so. Let's kind of put it up here above. Come on, you can do it, buddy. And then we've got something like that. Does that look stupid? Maybe. Does it kind of like do a little bit of jazz up here? Semi. What could we do to make this look a little bit better? I do like that. Let's jump over into Character Creator and we're just going to quickly whip up maybe a mech person. Let's go on mechanic. Let's go on mechanic. So I am just going to use a preset just to hurry this up. You. Alright. So we're just going to create a quick character. Hopefully, yeah, you can lose your bra, buddy. Let's jump into here, full body. Let's leave him like that. Let's come into the head. I do want to change the head. Neutral male. Let's give the dude a bit of a stronger jawline. And just seeing, is there anything we can else change? Square face. Give him a little bit of a square face. So from here, I'm just going to jump in, put in some clothes, pants. I need some jeans. Give me some jeans. Jeans. I want jeans. I don't need skinny jeans. It's not what I'm after. Pants. Let's just jump into pants. Maybe here. There we go. Beautiful. Dirty pants. We could probably get rid of his whatevs. We'll leave that there. Let's come into a shirt. Essential clothing. It's not giving him a mini skirt. That says skirts, not shirt. Good job, Marco. You can read. Give me something. Tank top. Yeah, whatevs. We'll just dump this on him. I don't like that shirt. Essential clothing. White. Let's throw that in. When we use recap models at my old job, we dump them in a mesh mixer. But it's cool that Blender can use real cap. Okay. Wait, you can use Blender without cussing. Alright, let's get rid of that shirt and we'll fix that up afterwards. Let's give him some schmutz on his face. Skin decals. Roughness? No, I want dirt. I want dirt. Give me dirt. Decals. No, no, no. I haven't done this for a bit. I don't care about fingernails. Body hair. I don't care. No. Acquired dirt. There we go. Face dirt. Liquid. I'm intrigued what liquid is. Are you making a game? No, I'm just kind of just playing around with the kitbashing set. So if I jump, let's just close that one. Close that one. No, thank you. We're kind of building this scene. Probably add some atmosphere in a little bit later, but we don't want to clog down just yet. While the other one's going, let's go in area light. I'm just intrigued at what it would look like if we threw something like that on a scale, and then let's just go like a light blue maybe. to 100 watts. And obviously if we're looking from below, we can see that there's some wonderful crud up here. I think we would need to do something with those white lights because they don't look right. Let's jump back into... Hey, buddy. Body dirt. Let's just go replace. Replace. And then we will... Done. I'm done here. How do we get out of this? I can't remember. Update. Cool. Let's now jump into our hair. Throw him a beard. I want a scruffy, big, fat, dirty beard. Yeah, probably this one. Yep. Beautiful. Move along. Move along. Acquired. What are we talking about? Acquired. Tom! Always a pleasure to see you, buddy. I think that's fine. I think we might give him some hair. Go on, why not? Let's have a look. Maybe top knot. I don't want to give him a top knot. Samurai. Okay, where are we going? Large bun. Let's give him a large bun. Why not? Hipster mechanic. No. Top knot, long pony. Done. Let's give him that. Yep, I'm down with that. File. Let me just go save as. And we'll go m_dirty mech and ick. Save. Let's now go file, export, FBX, fully clothed, Blender. We just want the mesh, A pose. I don't want embedded textures. Export, and we will dump him into here. Scanned. Let's go new folder, character, and we'll dump him in here. And this will be Dirty Man. All right. Do I need a mini skirt? These pigtails. Josh, I'm doing well, thank you. Is his name Ken? Roman. Alright, let's bring him into the scene. And there we go. Import character. Character. Dirty Man. Wow. You can dance. Wow. Alright, from here with Dirty Man. First things first, let's grab everything. All his clothes, body last, Control J. We're just going to have the one person there. From here I can see that I've blown out the scale. So let's grab everything with a Control I. Let's deselect that one. Shift S cursor to world origin. Nope. 3D cursor. A. Deselect you, buddy. So maybe something like that. There we go. Alright. While we're here, let's just quickly re-rig this character. We'll select this. Control S to save. Let's go into Auto Rig Pro. There we go. Quick rig. Oh, suck a lemon. Yep. Let's go CC3. That one. Quick thing. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Put that in. Alright. And so now what we're doing is attaching all these bones. Far are these. We can see that his elbows are the wrong way. That's fine. Let's just fix that up. Can you not, please? There we go. Let's go into pose mode. Grab this and this. G to the Y. And we can see that his arms go crazy. Let's go Control A. Apply pose as rest pose. And his now arms should be fine. if we come over into object mode, let's select this, G to the X, ugh, itchy nose. See, this is something I don't understand, like even though they're all joined, where are they? Because you're one mesh now, buddy. Whatevs. I don't know why. I don't know. Okay, whatevs. Whatever floats your boat, buddy. And then from here we can come into pose mode. Let's come back into rendered mode. And you can see now that the chap is rigged. Let's go back into medium point. Blah, blah, blah. Where are your shoes? Oh, I forgot to give him shoes. Oh. You donkey. Whatevs. You know what? You are no longer a mechanic. You are now a hobo. Oops, not that one. That one there. So, what we can do then is let's give him rotation. And then we'll throw him up against the wall. And then this kind of will work. Okay. So, because he's now a hobo, there goes my idea. We'll bring him out like so. Let's grab these. Wow. You can dance. Wow. Don't ask, please. Alright, there we go, buddy. You can chillax, okay? And we're gonna just kind of like rotate you around. Let's give that a little bit of rotation. There we go. Is that, what's this? It's that one there as well. Alright, and then we can kind of bring his hands down. There we go. Just going to kind of pose him. Let's get his elbows down now. Yeah, I know. He's a little bit unnatural. We'll fix that slowly. Slowly but surely. I told you, don't call me Shirley. Okay. Let's drop his shoulders down because he's not feeling the love at the moment. There we go. Just trying to pose him in a nice pose. Actually, maybe with this arm, he can kind of come out something like that. Rotate YY. And then we can go rotate XX. Bit of a slump. And then the way I like to quickly do the fingers is we will select all these bones. Nope, not you. I think I picked the thumb bone. Oh, go away. 1, 2. Let's get rid of you. And then from here we come into individual origins. Rotate XX. Actually, semi works. Thumb. You, thumb. Go down. Something like that. And then we'll do it with this hand as well. You can do it, Marco. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Well done. Cheers. And then we'll select this bone. Just spread it out a smidgen. And then with this bone. Alright, so this is the view that we're going for. His bum is in the air, mate. Can you please just sit on the ground? That's all I ask. G to the Z. Oh. What's the plane? Oh, far out. Marco, you're well off. There we go. something like so. Are you feet in the ground? Just above the ground, mate. Maybe what we could even do now is with this foot, put it like so. The hand can now come down. I'm just trying to pose him something a little bit natural. Down on his dumps. Down on his dumps. I've taken some major dumps. Alright, so from here, let's go back into object mode. Camera. Control, Alt, numpad 0. Let's go nice and low. Let's go 32mm. Nah. Let's go 64. I don't want the ground so much. He's got a bit of a smile on him, so we'll probably come in and change the face. Whoops. So when you consolidate the mesh on CC3 like that, don't your eyeballs get stretched? No, I don't think so. Hang on, what the heck's that? I don't think they get stretched. Arm pin. Yeah, it's fine, whatevs. Because at the end of the day, the eyeballs are still attached to... Oh, that's what I'm doing. The eyeballs are still attached to the bone. So I'm not too concerned about that. Let's just go Control S and save that. If we kind of come into rendered view, we can see this chap's down the dumps. And then kind of see this is looking nice. Let's just go Control S. We'll save that. Change this to maybe 128. Let's press F12 and let it go. Yes. Oh my goodness, yes. Thank you, Tom. I did think of that when I was talking, but then I got distracted by my brain. So let's come into here. Let's come into panoramic view. Oh, let's not do that one. Equals solid. Let's come in a bit. No. Hang on. How does that work? Let's go GZZ. Maybe not so. No, let's zoom in all the way. 180. And then this will just allow us to see more. Is it equal solid? Yes. Sick. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Ooh. Ooh. Let's just go something like that. I'm fairly happy with. Whatevs. Let's just press F12 and see what it looks like. You can go up to 100. Yeah, maybe I should type it in. So the lens should be 65. Don't crash. Don't crash. Don't crash. Ah! Let's go rotate YY. GZZ. Alright, so now we're just trying to find a bit of a nice composition on this chap. And we'll try and do kind of like our third. So if we come into not safe areas. Camera. Oh, where is it? Viewport display. Composition guide. Thirds. So we can kind of see that this is going to be our third here. And we want this character here to be kind of like on that section. And then we're probably going to want to put something up there. That's the center, diagonals, ratios, whatevs. Yeah, I feel like there should be something up here. Maybe kind of like a neon sign? Lens to 45, you reckon? Yeah, okay, shut up, Tom. You're right. Let's just press F12 and we'll see what comes out of it. Oh, that's fair enough, AMX. I'm finding now I'm actually starting to use a lot more of the color correction. I think that's something that I wasn't doing previously at all. So that's just something that I've been working on, trying to get something a little bit schmicker. Oh my goodness. 7 minutes? What the hickabotham? Go suck a lemon. I just want to see if the samples go up. You can do it, you fat mole. Oh my goodness, Blender. Come on. You know. That'll be rendered later. There's 3 people. Cool. Come on, I've cancelled. Stop it. This is called laziness, and this is called I shave once every 3 months. Or if I've got to do facial motion capture, then I'll shave again. So, come on, Blender, hurry up, get out. All right, let's get rid of. I do like that piece. But anyway, let's go full screen and we'll close this one. Let's, as Blender's thinking, let's get out of this one. Alright, and this is all of them. Come on, get out. Give it up. There we go. You died. You're done. Oh, there we go. Okay. So because of the fact that we've got this nice setting in here. So maybe what we might do is I kind of want to build off that. So I'm going to go Shift D to the Y. Okay. And we'll make this as if it's an alleyway. Why did that bend like that? Whatever. I don't care. So let's go from here, Shift D, rotate 90, and we'll maybe just scale on the X-axis. Something like so. And then what can we do from here? I'm semi a fan of that. I could probably do that a little bit better. Okay, what do we got? Noise. I wouldn't mind throwing... So we've got him in the bottom corner. Then we've got this alleyway. So I'm semi-thinking, how about we get in a line area? Maybe a point light. And we'll give it... Oops. Just trying to play with a different color. Let's go maybe 200. And then that'll kind of go from red to blue. So we've got red already. Red already. And technically we should be going, oh, I don't like that. I don't think that is right. So let's not do that. What can we do? What can we do? Let's go into solid mode. Let's maybe add in plane. Let's go rotate. Rotate X 90 degrees. G to the Z. Hold control, snap up. Okay, how do we do this? Subdivide some And then from here we go brain thinking. Triangle faces? Oh, I can't remember how to do this. Oh, I'm dying. Decimate. No, how does it work? Nope. Oh, there's a way. I hate you. Whatevs. Let's just do this. From here, I'm going to press I to do an inset. I to do another inset. No, that's definitely not what I'm after. Undo, 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 undo. There we go. Let's just press I to do an inset. I to do another inset. Delete faces. I feel so bad. I can't remember how to do this. I'm going to have to make a video for myself again. Let's go something like this. And then we're going to have like a fence in here. Maybe that's something we should have created, is extended the wall. Oops. Like this. Because then what that'll allow is to block any of the red light bleeding through. So let's go ahead and maybe grab this section in here. Box select. Let's just go G to the X and pull it out. Let's jump into rendered view now. Control S to save. And now we've got none of that light bleed through there. GeoNodes mesh. Hang on, let's go. Yeah, Tom Panorama. Blah, blah. Got offered to use a render farm for free because they like. That's pretty cool. GeoNodes, mesh to curve, curve to mesh. How dare you use triangles in Blender? I was trying to do something specific. I know it exists. I just can't remember how to do it. Quads gangs. Yeah, no, it was. I was trying to do something, but I think I failed. If you know what I mean. Actually, where is Steven Scott? Alright, fellas. I do like that. Let's kind of... Now let's go ahead and throw this light in. We'll make it an area light. Light. Area. Rotate Y. G to the Z. Let's go something like that. Something like that. The one thing that I'm hoping now is that we get a bit of a mesh. Nah, it doesn't work. Let's grab this whole section. GX, and we'll bring it forward to about there. And hopefully now we can see that mesh. Not really. So let's go ahead and grab that mesh. Beautiful. Let's throw a solidify modifier. Good girl. That's a little bit better. I wouldn't mind getting this light though. And let's make it sharper. Can I make it sharper? There we go. Something like that. Does that do what I need it to do? Let's go new material. Let's increase the metallic. Specularity down. The roughness down. I think maybe what we'll do is create a frame around it. That might be the next best thing. So let's go Shift S, cursor to select, cursor to... Thank you, Blender. Go suck a lemon. Right click, set origin to geometry. Shift S, cursor selected. There we go. From here, let's go cylinder. Nice. Make it a little bit smaller. GY. Scale on the Z. Shift D to the Y. Something like that. Let's go Shift D, rotate 90. Something like that. Marco. Something like that. From here, let's create a metal. And then we'll go something like that. Metallic bra, specularity down, and the roughness up. So the real Slim Shady, please stand up. Okay. How's that looking? Does that change anything? Do we feel any different? Something needs to be here. I don't know what. I don't know what. Okay, let's try something. Let's grab this engine here. What is that? Oh, it's that. Let's go Shift D, rotate 90 minus rotate X 90. And we'll make this get stuffed large. And then it's going to be kind of like, can you stop being a jerk? I could probably make it a little bit smaller. How's that looking? That's not bad. Let's see what's going on. I do like this light. So maybe what we might do, Shift D to the Y. Ooh. Ooh. I'm liking it. I am very much liking how that works. This here, this light. Can we do something a little bit extra with this light? My material skills aren't the best. However, let us play. Move over, Control S, let's save. So, the plan is light rays. You are correct. I do semi-like that idea. We could... Alright, we'll put in a volume maybe in a sec. I do like that idea. I do want to try something first though. Let's go into a noise texture. Noise. From here, let's go into a mix RGB. Let's come over into maybe 50, into a color ramp, and we want to grab, you know, like a blue color. And then we'll come into here, and maybe we might... Can you not, please? I've got ideas. Will it work? I don't know. Am I hoping it works? I don't know. Something like that. Let's go into, oops, into there. Color, oops, sorry, factor can go into there. And so we've got kind of like these speckled dots. Control T. I want to go generated. Now let's go into object. Let's go into UV. And so now we've kind of got that. So let's go detail, bump it up. scale. Let's go maybe Alt, Control, Shift. Ah, darn it. Suck a lemon. How do you select them all? Anyway. 5, 5, and 5. So now it's kind of speckled. Let's kind of bring these in a little bit. What would happen if this was yellow? It's brown. Let's maybe go like that. Okay, that semi-works. Let's come back into layout now. I am sorry, computer, that I'm going to do this to you. Let's go into a cube, scale on the Y, GY. Okay, so from here, back into shading. With this cube selected, new, this one is going to be the volume. That's not how you spell volume. But anyway, good try, Marco. Volume. Principal volume. Dump that one into the volume. Density, we 0.01. 0.1? Yeah. Anitrofosphophy. 0.05. Emission strength, if I do 0.01, no, do not do that. Black body intensity, don't do that. Temperature, let's put that back at 1000. I think this one can go 0.02. Let's go with camera settings. Let's go shift right click there, and then from here I'm going to add in an empty cube. Select the camera, and we go depth of field onto the empty. Let's go 1 on the f-stop, f12. Light paths 4, 2, 2, 4. I think that should be fine. F12. Let's go F12 and see what happens. I think I saved it. I hope I saved it. Did I save it? I don't know. What's the time? 20 to 12. Sick. I'm tired. But tomorrow's a public holiday, so no work tomorrow. Hopefully get a chance to get some more 3D scans. 22 minutes. Why? Why are you being a jerk? So anyway, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Well, that's good-ish, kind of, maybe, perhaps. I am thinking of doing maybe a second live stream through the week. Because doing 3 videos, I'm struggling. I'm struggling for ideas. I do have a big to-do list to do. But I do want to get back into making some more animated shorts. If you haven't, go see the Lich. The Lich. Let me find that. Share it, people. Share it. Definitely there could have been... Hey, that's me. Definitely there could have been a little bit better rendering. I had some issue with the materials. So I'm going to go to video analytics. It's a good film. So let's go Control V. How's this taking 22 minutes? I don't understand. It's one of the best ways to get some speed out of a render without losing. What? You can play with the noise threshold. Ugh. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to. I know. Alright, so for now, let's call it there. I don't know what videos are coming out this week, stuff will be coming out. I will try and do another animated short film. I'm going to put the mocap suit on. Hopefully we're going to do some more stuff in the perception neuron, the facial motion capture, some more 3D scans. If you want all my 3D scans, it's going to be on Patreon. This file minus the character will be on Patreon. So, yeah. Let's give it a night. This time probably the results of... I don't know. Yeah, I probably could, eh? But anyway, we'll call it a night. Thank you very much, guys. I will talk to you later. Did you say what you used for 3D? So for these ones, I used Polygam. So I'll probably do another video on them. I'll do a video coming up. So we'll see on that one. All right, post it on Insta. I will when it's done. Arrivederci, bonjour, e bok. Bye. Far